Good morning, guys. We're on the Arctic Vet channel. My name's Trevor, and this is Cohen. He's sporting our new Arctic Vet beanies and our Arctic Vet hoodies. Here, you want to turn around, show them the back?
Yeah.
Okay, turn around, show them the back. Turn around. Lift up that hood. Yeah, Cars and Coffee, Hutchinson by Arctic Vet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ew.
And we got our nice little beanies.
Yeah.
Keep our ears warm, huh? Okay. Show them the, yeah.
Oh, wet. Wet.
A light. He's got the light. Oh, it's bright. Turn that off. And I've got the Arctic Vet hat. Always wearing this. Okay, get that light out of my eyes, you turkey. Today, we're going to be doing something with Dora, though. And it's something that I've had for a little while. It was in my 2020 upgrade video that I made. And we're going to have some beautiful, they're sitting right over here, weather, what do you call them? I don't know. The weather shield for your windows. So we've got some of these, and the kind that I went for this time are the ones that stick on, because last time I had bought some of these that, hold on, don't, no, don't. Yeah, just leave it right there. Yes, leave it right there. Thank you. Last time I had some, they went in the channel of the window, and they worked out okay. I liked them. They still did what I wanted them to do, which is allow me to open the window when it's raining. But the problem is that it just grinded up on the window there. Oh, you're gonna take the Batmobile inside? And so instead, this time I wanted to go with the ones that stick on the side. And so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install those today. And maybe I'll have some help from my little guy. From my little guys. Yes? Alright, so we're gonna do the driver's side first. And to do so, there's some alcohol preps. I'm gonna go grab everything real quick.
Yummy!
Careful. Alright, let's see. Do a little test fit. Oh yeah.
Daddy, oh. Daddy, me.
Do a nice little test fit. I want to get a before picture here. There we go. Okay, Cohen wants to show you his side. All right, so here let's check it out. Let's put a test fit over here. Hold on, you gotta flip it over. I think we grabbed the wrong side. We did. We gotta go get the other one. Okay, go grab the other small one. Yeah. All right. So we got our alcohol preps, and we're going to use these to wipe down the area that we're gonna have the double side stick, 3-in side stick tape to. Oh, thank you. I didn't need that one. This is the passenger side. Let me see that one. Let me see. Go get the other one. He just wants to help. All right, bring it here. Let's see it. Don't, no. Thank you. Look, let's make sure this one's the right one. It would kind of help if you had somebody a little bigger to help you. All right. Let's go ahead and grab our alcohol prep. Wipe. There we go. So now that's done, we can. You know what? This is a little dirty too, so I'm gonna wipe it down. Bubba. You want to do it? Okay, well, hold on. Just like that. Give it a nice push down. There we go. I might be a little, no, you can see pretty well. Looks really good. Like it. I like it a lot.
Daddy, me though.
No, you should probably, yeah. I'm just checking it out. I'm just looking at it. See? Yeah, see? You see it. See?
Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, now for the back side. Let's get another alcohol prep. And we're gonna let little helper here do this one. Okay? You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, take this. And then we wanna wipe right there.
Good job.
So we'll go ahead and do the same thing over here now. We're gonna line it up where we want it. I want it to line up with that one.
Daddy.
Yeah.
There we go, that's a quick install. So, now this side's all done and looking fresh, I'm gonna switch up and go to the other side and put these two on.
Daddy, me.
Oh, you wanna throw that away? Here, it doesn't go up there anymore. Alright, now we're going to repeat the process on the passenger side. So,
Daddy.
alcohol
it's
prep. Now on this one, again, like I learned on the other side, you're going to want to take off your small ends first before you apply it. This is where I need a girlfriend so I can use her nails because I don't have any. Hey, no, it doesn't gotta be a girlfriend. It can just be anybody really with nails. Have some AVS weather protecting or weather strips, stickers. Hold on. We'll move to it. There we go. So she looks good. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to put these on, but I've been waiting. Oh, I know it's super bright, but hopefully what I'm going for here is so you can see the little bit of poke she's got now. Eventually we're gonna get the light bars installed, and once we get those on, she's really gonna look a lot different. But this is just one more thing that I wanted on her that is now completed. Now finished. That one got a little scuffed. Oh! Not sure what happened there. I think he pulled on my string. But she looks good. I'm excited to use these, and I'll be able to roll the windows down. Can leave them cracked in the summertime, because here in Kansas, you never know if it's gonna rain, it's gonna snow. It might be 100 degrees outside. By the time you get home, there might be snow on the ground. It's just the way it is around here. So now I can leave my windows cracked just a little bit. In the summertime, it's going crazy again. I think it's dying. I think we might be. I'm not sure. Anyhow, if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have these on your car, if they came with it, or if it's something that you put on afterwards. Don't forget that March 28th, I believe it's 28th, the last Saturday of March is going to be the first Cars and Coffee here in Hutchinson. I hope to see you guys out. We're hopeful for good weather. This year we're only going to be doing it from March to October. I'm going to be making a video covering that in more detail sooner rather than later. So if you haven't already, please click that red subscribe button. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.